My role in care and repair, job satisfaction wise, is up there, really high. So yeah, I've been doing it for 10 years and it's just a fantastic job. I'm Alan, I've been at Care and Repair now for 10 years and I'm what's called a minor adaptations officer, which is just doing small jobs like this and handrails in the bathroom, shower room and outside the property, small handrails and steps as well. If we can improve them being at home, staying in their own home, then that's brilliant, that's fantastic. Sometimes I'm the only person the client's seen in days, weeks. Sometimes the only person they'll see is the postman. For me personally, it's about spending time with that client. If that client needs to talk, maybe their partner died and they just want someone to talk to, I'm there to do that if they want that. For me, the client is really important. The job is 50%, the client is 50%. If they're happy, then I'm happy.